And I was videoing some last night, and then I was like, oh, I hope Andy doesn't have to show this to anyone at our school because our house is a disaster. I was like, Simon's playing in a pile of my dirty underwear. Is that gross? Okay, well, good. Well, yes, well, that sounds good. Well, thank you. Well, I'll fax these ones. Probably when Simon goes down for a nap, I'll fax them. All right, well, thanks, Auntie Sue. Okay, bye. Do you want help reaching something? Okay, what do you want? What do you want? You want a spoon? Here's your spoon. There you go.